So it's called Jasip Sim. Oh wow.
Wow. See how beautifully the cheese has melted and some are going to come out also. Good? Wow, it's awesome.
And my ice cream has melted so much in the
Hi friends, welcome to Shining Star Shri and I am Subhashri. Hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yours and your family. So in today's video, I thought of showing you my experience of trying out something new. Although it is not completely new, but it is in a new form. I was craving for some pizza and during this time going out or getting it order from Domino's or Pizza Hut or any other food platform was not safe. So I thought of getting it from somewhere which I can trust and I believe on. So I thought to purchase Amul frozen pizzas, and this is the very first time I have ordered something frozen, and that is also pizza. I don't know how it came up, but just scrolling through, it. I just thought of going for it, and so I ordered frozen Amul pizza, and this is the very first time I will try this, and I don't know how it will turn out or what is inside the box, but let's see. And if you all have tried it, then let me know how you find it out, and those who have not yet tried, they can feel the same experience with me and they can get an idea of how this frozen pizza tastes like. And with this something also I'm going to try, but please stay connected and watch the video till the end so you can know what else I'm going to try from Amul. Okay, so let's get started. It starts with the packing. The packaging is very appealing. You can see the cheese pool pizza and the toppings and this red Amul logo with pizza. And this is completely a square box packaging. Okay. Okay, so this is how the back side looks. They have kept some vent also. Okay, and they have sealed it from the three side with sellotapes. Okay, and yeah, the packaging is good, but be careful that you should not put load on this, otherwise it will break and it may damage the pizza inside. So that's not that much hard, but yes, okay, it has to be handled carefully. Now let's see the other parts like the price. So the price is around 110 for 220 grams, and it is best up to 90 days if we store it at minus 18 degrees Celsius or below. Now coming to the other part is you are also getting free oregano seasoning and chili flakes inside. So it's just we have to heat and eat it just like ready to eat meals, and all these methods are there at the back side. Okay, so this is very important part, how to defrost it, and then this is everything is mentioned here, and very important, this is if you are going for an electric oven or a gas oven or a tawa. So there are three options, so whichever you want you can go. And they have also suggested some garnishing, extra garnishing. I hope inside they have already garnished, but I don't know. Let's see what is there. Ingredients are also mentioned, then I think calorie intake also. So the total, if this is 200 for 100 grams, what is the total calorie? It is around 270. So if it is 220 grams, so the calorie will come around 450 near about. And okay, so I have given the complete idea of the outer packaging and the preparation techniques, and I will opt for the tawa frying one. And they have mentioned for that we have to heat the tawa for 2 minutes and then place the pizza and cook it for around 8 to 10 minutes till the crust becomes golden brown. So I will opt this one and will try with this one. So now let's open it, unbox it. So I will first cut the 3 sellotape sealing. Okay, now it's the time to reveal. So it's Khulja Sim Sim. Oh wow. So this is how it is looking. Let me open it. Let me open it completely. Okay. Only thing is the pizza sauce has come to one particular end. Okay, no worries. Maybe I did a lot of up and down. Maybe that is the reason. Here you can see a lot of cheese here, and then small pieces of chopped pieces of capsicum, green capsicum, red capsicums, and corn. I can see that much only. Cook and eat it. And oh yeah, yes, and this is the, I think this is the spice mix or oregano, and this is the chili flakes which we have got. It's not like the normal pizza which we eat it in Domino's. If you see the structure, it's not flat at the edges. They have made it like a case, and you can see they have made it like a case, and on inside they have kept the whole toppings. So I think we need to So I have tried to cut it into equal pieces, and let me try the first one. Oh wow, there's a cheese pool also, nice cheesy. So cheers. It looks yummy, right? Let's try it out. Mmm. Mmm. Wow, it's nice. Truly speaking, the pizza is nice cheesy, and what can I tell you about this pizza is the crust is not like in Domino's or Pizza Hut. The crust is not soft, it's a hard crust pizza, and yeah, the cheese is sufficient. You don't feel want of cheese. The cheese, they have loaded with cheese, but yes, topping is limited. Sauce is also fine, not that bad or not that good. Sauce is also okay. And the other thing is, yes, the seasoning. Yes, they have given a very little seasoning. I am a person who likes more seasoning, so I would rather opt for 2 packets of chili flakes and 2 packets of oregano. But yes, for this it is sufficient. I was expecting a soft base, but it was not soft. It's a hard base, loaded cheese, and few toppings with a decent sauce pizza. So this is what my opinion or my experience. If I rate this, because I have not tried any other frozen pizzas from any other brand, but if I compare with the fresh pizza which I eat out, then yes, if that is 5, then this will come around 3.5 because of the toppings and the crust and the seasoning. Otherwise, to get it in home and hit it and eat it at a fizz, it's good. You can try it. Your kids will also love it because it is fully cheesy and there is no much vegetable, so they won't complain. So this is what I feel about this pizza, and I really enjoyed this. Not bad, not good, but yes, it's satisfactory. If you are craving and if you are not able to have Domino's or Pizza Hut or any other pizzas, then you can surely try this out. So after trying out Amul frozen pizza, let's try something which is Amul famous for worldwide, and that is no need of introduction, that is Amul ice creams. And in ice cream I'm trying out the Casata variant. Casata I have tried of other brands, but first time I'm trying it for Amul. So let's come and let's see how it is. So let's unbox it. Oh wow. You can see the resemblance. Yes, see the outside, there's an orange, there's an yellow, and there's a pink layer. So here also the same, and this biscuit and this nuts. So it has so let's try this out. And I came to know that this is not actually a biscuit, but this is a very hard form of a cake that resists and that gives a base to this casata. So just let's come and see. So I'm just so let's try it out. Wow. I think I have taken maximum strawberry part, so the strawberry flavor and this cake is nice, so very nice. And it's so let me try the other 2 layers and let's see what is the flavor. So in this ice cream I found 4 flavors, as they have claimed it on the box itself. They have said it has strawberry, butterscotch, tutti frutti and vanilla. This is the strawberry, this is the butterscotch, and this is the tutti frutti plus vanilla. So my ice cream has melted so much in the heat. Really, you can see the nuts also. Wow, it's a nice casata, and the bread is also very yummy. Wow. So the flavor of tutti frutti and vanilla will come less. The prominence is of the outer layer, that is the strawberry. I never knew this 3 flavors when come together. It's awesome. Like it's a blast of flavors, basically ice cream flavors, and it's tasting really nice. And the nuts are also giving it a nice crunch, to balance the sweetness. And you can also try this. I hope you have tried and you have liked it. So friends, I really enjoyed trying out frozen pizza and Amul Cassata for the first time, and I really recommend you. But I have already told how I liked about pizza and how I liked about Cassata. If you are okay with that, then you can surely try it. And we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, then please let me know in a comment section. Like it, subscribe to my channel, show some love. Thank you. Let's live, connect and grow. Till then, bye bye.